Let's move now to page 87. Since you study all the definitions, now we want to distinguish between the element. What the meaning of distinguish? يعني ميز between the elements. The elements of the circle that are center, radius, diameter, chord, arc. Okay? So now they are giving me a figure and they need from me to state what are these letters is with respect to the circle. Now, denote the figure. So A as you see the segment it comes here. OC, Shafiq Isa, what is OC in the circle? OC, what do we call the OC? Center and a point on the circle. Yes, Shafiq.
OC is a
Repeat it. Repeat it, please. I'm not hearing. OC is a
radius.
very good. OC is a radius. Since it's a center, it's a segment whose extremities are the center and a point on the circle. I will move to part B. Before starting, here we are B. That is GK, segment GK. Yes, yeah. Qatarji. GK. Did you see GK? Are 2 points on the circle. What the meaning?
Chord.
Chord. Excellent. Since it's a segment,
بس أنا
extremities
حلهم.
are 2 points on the circle. Are 2 points on the circle. Very good, Muhammad. Now C. C. So now Ahmad wants to tell me the part C is what? Is WS. Is what? What do we call WS? Is a what? From outside the circle, when it's outside, the shape that is outside, what do we call it? I'm not listening, please.
Arc.
Arc. Very good. It's an arc. It's an arc, teacher. Since it's outside the circle. Okay, Ahmed. It's arc. Okay, very good. I will move now to D. D is that's mean the point O. Yes, who wants to tell me what is the point O with respect to the circle? Yes, Abbas Nasser. O. What do we call O? What is O, ya Abbas?
Center.
Very good. It's the center. Okay. I will move to Fatima Zaidan. And Fatima Zaidan wants to tell me what is E. Where is the letter E? Here we are. E, that's mean AB. Did you see? AB.
Yeah.
And passing through the center. What is AB? Look at it.
Diameter.
Very good. It's diameter. And at the end, they are asking about F. F, that's mean that what I'm using to draw the circle. What is F called? What is the instrument, Yadiman, we use to draw?
Compass.
Very good. It's a compass. It's the compass. Mark on the same figure in part 1 here A. Mark on the same figure the point F diametrically opposite to point C. I will move to the point C and I will look. Where is C? Here C. Okay, there is C here. The word diametrically opposite, I said for you before, it comes from the word what, ya Qatarji?
Diameter.
Diameter. So these 2 points FC should make a diameter. What the meaning of diameter? Segment whose extremities are 2 points on the circle and passing through the center. So I should elongate now by using my ruler CO till I reach to cut the circle in a second point here, and I will call this point what? The point what?
F.
F. Very good. So that's mean They are asking me to draw a diameter f, but in another way, by saying diametrically opposite. By saying diametrically opposite, not diameter. They are asking in another way. Here we are, the point F. Now in part B, they are asking what does O represent for the segment FC. Before continue, I want to ask you, O with respect to the circle, you said for me is a what? What is O بالنسبة للcircle يا miss?
Miss Center.
Center. أما لما بيسألونا about a segment, when they are asking about a segment, look at me. When I have a segment here, and I will mark here a point, and this part is equal to this part, that means O, and here FC. FC. What does O represent for the segment now? Not for the circle, for the segment. O in the middle. Yes, Katarji.
Midpoint.
Midpoint. Excellent. So when they are asking me about a point and a segment, that's mean midpoint. When they are asking about a point and a circle, we said center. Now we can say O is the midpoint. Teacher. يعني مثلا when you look to O to FC and O in the middle, what do you see now? O what equal to O what? O what? O
Is equal to C. Equal
equal to
2 times
OC. Equal to OC. And OF and OC with respect to the circle are what? بالنسبة للcircle O.
point.
No, OC.
Diameter.
OC, not FC. OC and OF. OC and
Center.
OF. OC and OF are what, ya teacher?
Radius.
Very good.
Do you need them?
No, so now what is the relation between radius and diameter? As you know, the radius is equal diameter divide 2. Check, miss. Or we can say diameter equal radius times 2. Radius times 2. Now exercise 2, observe the adjacent circle and name. What is the circle? Yes, دي معون. شو اسم السيركل مس؟
OE.
circle. اسم السيركل مس. C. It's C, teacher Dima. Pay attention. It's C between parentheses. What is the center, teacher Gayal?
O.
Oh, Abbas, name a radius. Abbas, name a radius.
Radius.
Yes, from this figure. As you know, the radius is a center and a point on the circle. So O and a point. Choose a point on the circle.
AE. AE.
No, AE, there is a center with it.
Miss, can I
Teacher, I'm talking
Miss, can I
about...
EO.
Okay, Abbas. You should name a radius. Radius, that's mean a center and a point on the circle. يعني بالسيجمنت بده يكون في عنا O ولتر تاني. So O and what? Yes, Abbas.
O and F.
We cannot say O and F. We say directly O F. Give me another one. O F. And what's also?
OA.
OA. What's also more?
OE.
OE. Now I need a diameter. Diameter, that's mean 2 points on the circle and passing through the center, ya Abbas.
Miss.
2 points on the circle. What is 2 points? This point and this is a point. This is a point. What are the 2 points that are passing
Miss,
through the center?
AF.
So that is the diameter.
AF.
Very good. AF. AF. Because that, teacher, I'm asking you to memorize the definitions, teacher. All the definition. When you memorize it, you can directly distinguish between them from the given figure. Now, here I want to tell you something. Maybe some students measure OE and write 2 centimeters. So should OA equal 2 centimeters since they are 2 radius. And AF is the diameter, should be the double of the radius. If the radius is 2, then the diameter is 4. But some students now tell me that the measure is 1.8. So the radius also here should be 1.8. You can choose everything, everyone. The 2 answers are correct. But the diameter, it would be 1.8 times 2, it will be 3.6. You can measure it by your ruler. So the 2 answers are correct.